Hi, this is Stephanie with Bright Guy, and I'm here today to demonstrate the Fenix TK35 Ultimate Edition flashlight. The Fenix TK35 Ultimate Edition flashlight is a super bright, powerful flashlight producing 1800 lumens in turbo mode. It uses a state-of-the-art Cree MT-G2 LED and a textured orange peel reflector to produce a smooth beam pattern that will shine up to 793 feet. The Fenix TK35 Ultimate Edition flashlight has a total of 4 brightness levels, in addition to strobe and SOS functions. Use the large push-button tail switch to turn the flashlight on and off, and use the secondary, smaller mode switch to cycle through the 4 brightness levels. Press and hold the mode switch for 1 second for strobe, or continue holding for 3 seconds for SOS mode. The TK35 Ultimate Edition can be powered by either 4 CR123 non-rechargeable lithium batteries or 2 18650 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. It will run for up to 1.5 hours in turbo mode and 150 hours in low mode on rechargeable batteries. The Fenix TK35 Ultimate Edition flashlight produces a broad, smooth beam pattern that will shine up to 793 feet. The 75-degree beam angle provides a large area of light that can easily fill a room. Use the smaller mode switch to cycle through the 4 brightness levels, strobe, and SOS mode. Comparing the 900 lumen Fenix TK35 on the left and the 1800 lumen TK35 Ultimate Edition on the right, you can see that the Ultimate Edition has a much warmer color temperature with a wider center hotspot and brighter spill light. Thanks for watching today. Make sure you visit brightguy.com to view the Fenix TK35 Ultimate Edition flashlight and our full product line of over 500 different types of flashlights. And while you're there, sign up for our email newsletter list so you can keep up to date on the latest lighting products from your favorite brands.